So today we're here back fixing something, and this is an epidemic in the parts and repair industry. I have a Logitech headset, and of course Logitech refuses to sell you replacement ear pads for your headsets. When I bought this headset, it was probably 25 bucks. The replacement headset for this is like 150 now, with all of our Biden inflation going on. And of course I went out on Amazon, and from China I could get a set of replacement ear pads for this for $7. I've already put one of them on here, and you'll notice these are oval shaped, so when you slip them on, the oval part, the long axis goes vertical. The narrow axis is horizontal when you're wearing your headset. So Logitech is really anti-consumer in the fact they won't even sell you a replacement ear pad to go on your headset. And I find it interesting, this was probably manufactured in the exact same factory that actually makes them for Logitech. So moving forward, SHTF, economic collapse, you're going to have to replace and repair more and more of your own stuff. I would much rather pay $7 and fix them myself than pay Logitech $150 for a replacement set. So please share your thoughts. We'll see you on the next video.